Today guys, we are
avatar.
we are making the Dominator 1 from Temu.
Then.
Also guys, that's my
Then.
matak sa ding mo man matag sa unay. Mata mo pinga YouTuber na. Okay guys, so this is where we're gonna make the Dominator 1 from Temu. This is my character guys, it's from Temu.
Then. Amudan to sinuatik at tao.
Okay guys. Okay guys, I'm still playing while I'm sick. Okay guys, so that's the flap. That's the lowering system that I think I have to make. Now I will just make it black. It looks cool guys. Okay guys, so the next one is over here. Yeah. Okay guys, so does my car look cool or not? Tell me that if it looks cool guys. Because my car is so epic. But then some people in Brookhaven do not even know how to make a car. Like this guys.
Then.
Okay, so we're gonna drive. In my Dominator 1 that's from Temu. Okay guys, I got to make it faster.
Then makidarak to nga.
Okay guys, we're driving back to the barn. Okay guys, so we're still gonna add some more lights to the Dominator from Temu. Okay guys, so what should we add again guys? I don't really know. Okay guys, so the Dominator from Temu looks cool. But then guys, what should I add? Should I add like okay guys, so I will add this small circle up here. I will just make it red as well.
Even like this.
Okay guys, this is the Dominator from Temu. Temu Dominator guys, it looks absolutely cool. Right guys? Right? Okay guys, so where's the computer thing? Here it is. Okay guys, so let's place the camera over there. And let's eat it over here guys. Let's rotate it. Okay guys, so let's lower it down here. Okay guys, so this is the Dominator with camera. So oh my god guys, what is my little brother doing? Matt, what are you doing?
I'm doing something.
Well guys, let's continue to drive that Dominator from Tim.
Then.
Okay guys, let's leave my little brother here.
I can drive basketball.
Okay guys, so we're driving guys. Also guys, how do I get a tornado in the normal Brookhaven public lobby? There's also that rich guy's house guys. But building this car is even better than being rich in Brookhaven. Also guys, I like driving in my car.
Napon ko di city.
Look what? Okay guys, so there's two houses that are purple and blue. I think they're gonna be jealous of my car.
It's a rich house.
Also guys, I'm gonna drop.
Sabi ko nakita mo, adyo ko rich house.
Okay guys, so we're just gonna park my car over here at the Dominator from Temu shop. And we're gonna add... what am I gonna add again guys? I forgot my. Okay, guys, we're gonna add spikes. So I will go to this,
Then,
and then just like about
I need to
get
find the
this.
purple house.
Okay, guys.
Need to find the purple house.
Okay, guys. So that should be
This is the walkway
perfect.
to the balloon.
Okay, guys. So that's where I will place the first spike. And the second spike should be over here.
Tin. Oh, tinanitan. Tintin na yun mo.
Tsaka mo
At tinak purple house kan blue house. Kita ko? Sige, kitang ko tayo. Takababa.
Okay, guys. So my car from Temu is a radical, guys.
10.
Nobody
Ten
can
ginang
even
kumanayan
steal
mo.
this.
10 ginang kumanayan mo.
Mat, among garo din ni nga makikita. Okay, guys. So this is my Dominator from
Hindi
Temu.
ka arch.
It looks deployed, but it's not deployed yet.
Maka is ba?
Okay, guys, we just hit something. It's also turning dark, guys.
The arch. And
we got to
is
open the lights.
thing.
Okay, guys, we're gonna add some extra
Ten
lights
is in the
in the
barn.
car. Okay, guys.
Then. Diamond.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna add another light to the Dominator that's from Temu. Okay, guys, so see you in the next video, guys. Wait, what? Okay, guys, I got to just fix that before I end this video. Okay, guys, see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.